No, anything but lonely.
We have this like deep connection, this heart connection.
He just wants to be close to you and part of your life.
Every day with Turtle is a perfect day.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a new severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Collin County until 9 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm is located over the town of Wiley, moving north at 45 miles per hour and will soon cross Highway 380. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. It has a history of 1.5-inch hail and storm damage earlier in Mesquite. Wind damage to trees and also some hail damage. A severe thunderstorm warning now being activated for eastern Collin County until 9 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm near Wiley moving north at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
View out over North Texas, actually Denton. And if you watch very carefully, you can